see a car. I hope this is the way down. I'll check it out. Some cairns. This is the way. I'll check in later. Up there. Go across this short saddle. That's the view looking towards Geronimo Head battleship. Down this drainage, I may have to go over here. I'll just check. Came from up there zigzagging. I see this cairn. Flat iron. I see another cairn right here. And I believe the trail goes down over this way. I'll check in later. Way down, I see this cairn. So I'm headed down in there. Looks like fun. I came from up there quite a few minutes ago. There's been cairns. After about 20 minutes, I found the cairns that were leading me back and forth. So I'll show you where I'm headed. You can't really see, neither can I. Come under these two tree limbs, clear away a little brush. After I came through, towards the middle of the screen, you're looking at the crossover between Siphon Draw and the Flatiron. So I'm going to be down there somewhere. Safely, I hope. I'm getting there. My immediate goal. Looks like I'm above the Siphon Draw. I'll make it. There's some hikers across the way. I don't know if they see me. If you come down that draw, or if you go up that draw,